Rolling.
What's up?
He's back, y'all.
Back, man. Sorry for the wait up.
Got a 17 on there. He zapped his flywheel bolts off. He got his clutch, pressure plate, everything else off. So I need to get him the battery. Yeah, there you go. I got it. I dropped it.
You dropped it?
Yeah. That's what happens. Just like that. Getting the clutch laid out. It's got a new flywheel.
10-pound flywheel, by the way. 10.
It's just, man, it looks good. This shit clean. The throwout bearing.
There it is.
It's already got the
I need to clean this up, yo. Fuck it, I might just need to go see none of this shit.
spray some super clean on it. Just hose it off on the side of the house.
Yeah, that's what I should do.
All right, boys, so you see it. Old flywheel is there. Excuse the mess. It's a disaster in here. But here's the new clutch setup like we showed you. Chris went to go get some blue thread locker or blue thread sealer, whatever you want to call it. And then he's just gonna get his flywheel mounted on, his clutch put on, and then we're gonna make that tranny to this thing and be another step closer, boys. So hang tight, we'll be back.
The fucking Texas.
You gotta line that up with the, is your dial pins lined up, Chris?
We know everything, it just goes in the room.
Yep, do those in correct. Cross. He's got blue Loctite already on the bolts. So I know, there you go, there it is.
Just to make sure.
And he's doing an X pattern, putting his bolts in, and he'll do the same thing when it's time to torque it. Nice clutch. 6-puck, spring loaded. Let's go. You could probably just use a regular socket. There we go.
Ready?
Yeah. Oh, shit. Go ahead, bro. All right, when it cracks like that, just hit it one more time, make sure it cracks again, and that's how you know it's, there you go. Hold on, I'm gonna fix this, or I ain't even gotta hold it for you. All right, crank down on that one again, please. There you go. I ain't even have to hold it for you. Good job. Now, torque them in a cross.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Okay. Cross from each other. Alright. Flywheel mounted. Clean. Alright. Put your you put your yeah. There you go. I don't even gotta tell this man. My man. Remember, you gotta line these little things up the way it goes in there. This is gonna be a little tricky. You'll figure it out once you get it up on there. Damn, you got it the first shot.
Oh, I got the loctite on that shit. Trying to hold this?
Yes, sir. Looking clean. Looking clean. Put blue Loctite on all his bolts. Something I didn't even do. It haunts me. He's gonna be torquing these down to 19 foot-pounds. So how's your wife taking it?
She's alright. It's just having to basically
All right. I'm gonna put this bad boy on.
I need 2 people, yo.
All right, I got you. Hold on.
I'll end up fucking scratching or bending something.
Hold that.
Time. We need to hold it over in bowling.
And you know that certain bolts go in certain places.
Yes.
You'll be able to tell though. These are shorter. You lift that side, I lift this side with that man. Oh, you know what? Hold on. You gotta pull them down, hands out. Yeah. Yeah? The bolts in there on the top. Ay, papá! Sheesh! That's what that tranny looked like on that. That's gonna be the thumbnail right there, nigga. Smiles. Your fork was slide out and everything real good?
Yeah.
Alright. Amen. There it is, boys. Tranny mounted. Now he's just gonna get his bolts put in and be back with y'all. He did that shit himself, man. He painted it. It was good. Yeah. He's see, he's got the Euro arm conversion on the front of that cord. It ain't like USDM shit. He's doing himself a little something. It was good. Yeah, he just put this together today to train. bit because I think you got enough on this side. So now we'll go and push it in over there. Alright guys, back.
I gotta make sure the hose line are right.
Engine bay's been sitting for about 2 weeks. Dried up, cured up nice. As you can see that badge right there. True JDM front end right here.
That one.
First mount, place where it goes. Not mounted yet, but place where it goes, guys.
Rear mounts.
Alright guys, now he's got his rear T-bracket mounted onto the motor where it goes. Just not bolted, but he's using the factory Honda Accord one. So, yeah guys. That's my boy.